Go.
Hey everyone! Welcome to the beautiful University of Washington campus in Seattle. Right now, you're looking at the heart of all, breathtaking liberal arts quadrangle, famed for its collegiate Gothic buildings and those incredible Yoshino cherry trees that explode into color every spring. It even been named one of the prettiest campuses in United States by Architectural Digest. One of my favorite study spots is the Yuzalo Library. Imagine that, the reading room, and there's something straight out of a movie, echoing with the history and quiet brilliance. And if you're into athletics, check out Husky Stadium, one of the Huskies football team, boasting one of the most scenic and thunderously loud stadium experiences in college sports. And UW isn't just about looks, it's powerhouse of innovation and research founded in 1861. And this flagship public research university spends over $1.7 billion annually on research and development, placing it among top of the nation. Set against the backdrop of Seattle's vibrant city life, UW, or University of Washington, is more than just a campus. It's a place of discovery, community, and limitless possibility. Thanks for joining for this tour. And remember everyone, it's always possible to travel around the world only through the power of God. University of Washington. Bye-bye.